We're going to be working on cleaning up our machine learning framework that we built from scratch over the past few weeks on stream. We did it live. We did it. We actually did it. We built it. It was beautiful. It's wonderful. I'm really happy about it. We're going to be organizing our framework into maybe some files. We're going to tidy it up, and then we're going to jump into our MNIST training data set, and we're gonna actually use our model. We're gonna use our model to see how well it performs. We're gonna see how well it performs. So check this out. This is beautiful. See how it's like it's like perfect green across the board. All green check boxes. Before it wasn't green. Let's see if it actually can go up high. So I don't know. No, there's too much. There's too much. I won't be able to show. Before though, it couldn't get everything. But now with the improvements we made by doing it like this, I know just a simple change like this. All it takes is just to randomize the input on the training data and then create the epochs. Every single epoch, you randomize it. Somehow it works so good using our machine learning framework that we have here, that we wrote from scratch. And we're going to tidy it up a little bit. So you can see here on the screen, we've got a lot of just some cleanup to do. I want to extract the framework stuff. I want to extract the non-framework stuff into its own file, and then we'll be using that. What are we doing here? We're going to be cleaning up the machine learning model that we wrote from scratch. All from scratch, live on stream. We did it, and we did a really good job. And you can see here, it actually performs very well. It performs very well, you guys. Are we doing separation of concerns? We should be. Don't die 88. We should be. Don't die. Why do you have imports at the beginning of the file and then import TensorFlow in the middle? So thank you for the likes, you guys. It's fine. You could do that. There's nothing wrong with that. You could totally do that. There's nothing wrong. I mean, yes, you're right. It's a little bit overwhelming. So what I'm going to change this. We're going to clean it up. You found something that we're going to clean up. Thank you for the likes, you guys. You found something that we're going to clean up right now. We're going to make it better. Here. Oh, we got some chat messages going on. Try it with Python or Java. You could as well. Can you explain arrays? Yeah, sure. Arrays are actually one of the easiest things in Python. Let's check this out here. Let's see. Go Python like this, right? Python. Just type in the word Python in your terminal editor, and then you can create your own array like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Array. There you go. There's an array, and then you can access your array through a slice by putting an indice on it like that. So it'll give you the first element or the second element or the third. Or wait, is it? Oh, Benedict, I didn't realize that. That's actually kind of neat. Can we do some assembly in here? We can do some assembly. Nope. That'll be for a different stream. That'll be in the future stream. We will be doing that. That's later this week. Later this week, we'll be doing some assembly language. Where are you from? We are from United States in Seattle. I was in San Francisco, but then I moved to Seattle. How are AI agents different from transformers? That's right. I missed that. Sorry, I missed that. I thought I was all caught up with the chat messages, and I'm like, woo, I get to start coding again. But nope, just kidding. just kidding. You thought we were all caught up. So that's what a transformer is. It's just basically a whole bunch of algorithms put together into one algorithm, you guys. I think it's really cool. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for all the likes there. Let's see if we can get caught up with the chat messages here. I don't think we're going to. I think we're going to. Okay. What are you working on right now? Snope. Answering chat messages, but we'll try to get into our actual coding here in a bit. Data types and variables. Could you please teach loops? Oh, loops are also pretty easy. So we've got some. Thank you for all likes, you guys. Loops are pretty straightforward. So like you can create a loop. Let's do this real quick. Is it at least 2 arguments, comma, print, built-in function, right? Oh, so a, comma, a. It can't be what a, maybe do is it a, comma, lambda? If I'm doing this wrong, let me know. Lambda n, colon, n, something like that. This function object is not iterable. So does it start like this? And you do comma a, like that? It is, but let's see here. It's not work. Something's wrong. All right, we need help from the internet. We need some help from the internet on a map real quick. Hold on. I need to see the map in Python example. We need an example. Let's see if we can get back to this. Okay, this is the last thing I'm going to do, and then I have to get going. So let's do input size is going to be 2, out 10, and then output will be 1. Sigmoid. Okay, let's see if we can get this back. Training data will just be X and Y, right? So we don't need to, we're going to get this back here and then we'll run it. We'll run it, see if it goes good. We don't need main anymore. Let's go down here. Let's delete this, delete, and then we go up here and then we bring this down like this. There we go. Like this, indent, de-indent. There we go. Okay. We'll keep that. We'll keep those layers. Actually, I do want another layer here. Let's do another layer. There we go. Output is 1 model. Batch size. Batch size. Do we want it to be? This is actually kind of interesting. I guess we'll just do 4. We'll do 4 batch size. Epochs 1000. Learn rate sounds good. And then we will just test on this. Let's see here. There we go. Results, prediction, and then we'll just say, we'll see if we can run this. All right. Python XOR. Let's see. Is it going to happen at welcome? When did you come live? Do you do this often? Atone. Yes, I do every Monday through Friday. So we're just cleaning up some of our code and then I have to get going. As soon as the code is cleaned up, then I will have to get going. And then tomorrow, I did want to do algorithmic trading, but I think we're going to have to start that tomorrow because we ran out of time and we went overtime. I did not mean to spend this much time. Hello, wow, I like Vim. Really cool. Vim is the best text editor. There you go. I love it. Yari Korg. I don't know if I pronounced your name correctly there, but Yari Korg. Vim is the best. I wish I knew how to do this stuff. Just goes right over my head. Takes me 2 days to change a line of code in my email auto response. Does it, Dougie? Dougie 0? Hey, all good to go. No worries. It's still learning. It's a learning process. It never ends. You're never done. It's always a challenge. Always a challenge. I wonder if we can get rid of that. I wonder if we can maybe. Okay, so we got our cleaned up. Looks good. And we've got our train and validate. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Don't need that. We don't really need X test and Y test, but we can just do it like this here. Let's get like this because it's just the XOR operator. It's just the XOR Y test. Do we have that? Results prediction. Okay. We could. I'm not sure. I think we have to do a different. Let's see. Old stuff, and then ml.org. Okay. We should be able to grab the old. Here we go. Perfect. All right. This is it. Wait. Where'd it go? Is it there? I don't see it anymore. Uh-oh. You got a sub, Strap 999. Thank you for the subscription. Happy to have you here. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff, you guys. We're going to be doing algorithmic trading probably tomorrow. I wanted to do it tonight, but we ran out of time. I have other things that I got to do. Where do you post notification about go live? On your Discord? Yes, Atone, we do. On the Discord. So we've got our go live on the Discord. It usually it's around here somewhere. So yeah. So you see we get the live notification here on Discord. I will copy and paste for anyone who is interested in that as well. Paste in the Discord for everyone. So that's where you could go. When we are not streaming live, we will be on the Discord. There's the answer. Why don't you just use an AI to code all this? We could, because we're doing it hard mode. We're doing it in hard mode. And today, you no longer need to write code with your keyboard. You can ask the AI to do it for you. In fact, we probably will be migrating over to that for the most part. Since we're learning, and this is a learning channel, to learn our algorithms, our AIs, our data sciences, our blockchains. We're going to be blockchain. We'll also be doing finance. We're going to be doing algorithmic trading by creating our own AI, and we're going to be doing that. I'm really excited for that. That is the plan. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. Where is my? I want my algorithm back. Oh, you know what? I might have the answer. Nope. Is it there? Nah, that's fine. It's fine. We're good. We're fine there. Let's see here. Is it? Oh, perfect. This is it. No, it's not. Just kidding. Okay. So, we need to get rid of that. All right. Let's see if we can figure this out. Let's see. Get rid of that. This is fine for now. That's fine for now. We need to change this. If y, is it 0? We need to figure out what the results are really quick. Let's see here. Let's see. Is it going to learn? Yes. Does it learn? Is it learning? It is. It is. We just need to change the learning rate. You guys. That's what we got to do. Looks like you're trying to create. We're currently organizing and cleaning up our machine learning framework that we wrote from scratch. We did it successfully in all the previous streams. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We are organizing it and making it clean, and that's what we're doing. That is currently what we're doing. All right, so see, we need a higher learning rate maybe? Is that what we want to do? Let's see here. Let's see if that does better. Did that do better? It did. It did way better. It did really near perfect. It did near perfect. Okay, let's do 2000. Tighten that up a little bit. Tighten that up. It looks good to me. It looks good to me. All right, I'm happy with that. Let's increase that a little bit more. Let's go a little bit higher. Okay, a little bit higher. Yes, there. Now I like that. I'm much more happy. Let's go one more higher. One more higher. Is that too much? Is that too much? No, it's good. It's good. I like it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we can just get rid of that. We don't need that. Let's see here. We can do round and then predictions, and there we go. There we go. That's how we do it. Oh wait, NP. Oh wait, hold on one second. Prediction is not defined. Oh right, predictions. Here we go, like that. There we go. There we go. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. There's the output, and it's the correct output. Or here we go. We got to print it out. Display. Looks good. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. You see now we got the green check marks there at the bottom of the screen. We got the green check marks there. They're all green, everyone. They're all green. We love it. All right. So now, whoops. Here we go. So we fixed our XOR. That's good. Get status. Status. We do have to get going, guys. Get status. Get add all. Get status. Get commit AM. Okay. We did some cleanup, but we do need to clean up our MNIST real quick. Here we go. Cleanup and organizing. We did we just did cleanup work basically. Cleanup. XOR.py good, and we need MNIST.py next. Okay, perfect. Then we'll push that to our repository. Thing we got to do here, and we got to get going. MNIST. We got to clean this up here. So let's clean this up. We don't need this. We don't need that. We're good to go here. We also don't need def main anymore. Let's go up to the top here. We'll go like this, and we will. I believe we just do it like this. We go down here, and we get rid of this because we already have it, and we go like that. Let's see here. We'll open up our XOR. We'll copy these guys over here. We're going like this. We're doing some tidying, everyone. We're tidying up the code. We're making it tidy. Load data. There we go. Like this. Clean it up. Make it pretty. We're making it pretty. Clean that up. Clean. And then I think we're good. I think that's it. I think we're good to go. We can leave this here. We can leave that there for later. Okay. Now, let's bring that back up. MNIST. Let's do Python MNIST. Okay. Let's see. We should, because as you can see, we were successful at updating our machine learning framework to make it pretty, and it works really well. It works too, like we basically gave it the perfect amount of data. And how long is it going to run for? How many epochs I need? That'll be something that we also need to do, is we need to update it so we know how many epochs we're going to be running. There we go. As you can see, all green, everyone, all green. Isn't that cool? So cool. There we go. There on the screen, look at that. I see all the green there. Oh, so beautiful. It's so beautiful. All the green right there. That means 100%. 100%, you guys. That's success. We did it. We succeeded. .py, and then we are going to push that. There we go. We're done. We did it. Main. Here we go. Double check. All up to date. There we go. Everything's up to date. We succeeded, everyone. We did it. We did it. You can see on the screen. It was beautiful. All the green check marks. All right, we got to get going, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. How did you learn that? What makes you live stream vertically? More people watch. It's just Kevin McAllister, same size list as in the indices. Yeah, it is. Okay, it's got to be the same size. Kevin McAllister, you seem to have some knowledge here that I wasn't sure about before, but you definitely are a software engineer. You know what you're talking about, Kevin McAllister. You know what you're talking about. But yeah, what makes me stream vertically? That's just how we're starting. We're just starting like that. We might do a horizontal stream at some point, but for now we're doing vertical vertical, not horizontal. Hello from Somalia. Welcome on in. You're at the very end of the stream. We're headed out now. I wish more people live stream Python tutorials. Hey, that's our plan, Bunty. So we're going to be we might not. I really wanted to go live later today, but I don't think I'll have time because this stream went for so long today. But tomorrow we'll be doing in our Discord channel. See here. Tomorrow we'll be doing where is it? Algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading. That's what we'll be starting. We'll be building our own AI model, and it's going to be AI algorithmic trading. It's going to be really cool. I'm actually really excited about it. I was thinking about this one over the weekend. I'm like, I think we can make a model that looks like this, and we can make some money. I think we can make some money. I probably don't want to do it with real money because it is all consuming. Beware the next stream. Beware. We're going to be doing something that's going to be all consuming, and it will be very difficult. If you invest your time into it and you want to do your own algorithmic trading, I am going to give you this warning. This is a critical warning. Be careful. It is a all-consuming. Nothing else in the world matters. All of a sudden, you're doing AI algorithmic trading, and it takes over your entire life. You won't want to do school. You won't want to do work. You won't want to sleep. You won't want to eat. You will only want to do algorithmic trading. It is a warning because we succeeded in our goal for today, which was to optimize our machine learning model into a nice framework. And as you can see here, we split everything up into a file. We've got activations. We've got, actually I need to delete the ML. mvml.py to old stuff. Okay, ls git add dot get status git commit -am moved old stuff ml.py. There we go. Wait. Well, we type things properly there. Push to main. There we go. All right, ls. Here we go. Perfect. So activations, MNIST, layer, model, and XOR. All good to go. We did